So here's the first video of it running in the car. Coolant system hooked up, everything connected. It's still cold. It's only about, I don't know, 120 degrees, 130 degrees. You can see that, but it's real low. Oil pressure is about 30 pounds at idle. Sounds good. Sounds good, nice and quiet. It's got no carburetor heat, so it's gonna take a little while to warm up. I mean, idle's in gear, but it's a little rough in gear. Sounds good. Everything works. Nothing's leaking on the floor. That's a victory. I've been wondering if this torque converter is going to be too tight for it or not. I'll find out once it warms up. But see if I can get a. It's raining outside. Let's see if I can get the exhaust sound. Got a little purple to it. When you rev it up, it kind of sounds like it used to. Just way quieter. You probably can't hear it if I rev it up from here, but I'll try. Kind of sounds like a 6-cylinder. Maybe a slightly irritated 6-cylinder, but still a 6-cylinder. So we'll let it run and let it warm up a heat cycle, and I'll stop breaking it in. Oh boy.